Wow, so excited. This is the new glass out of the tumbler machine, the first batch ever. Taken almost a week, and unfortunately the belts have come off the machine, but Glass will come out with a solution for sure. But look at these amazing colours, beautiful smooth edges. Whoa, my brain boggles. I can see so many applications in here. I'm supposed to have been making this for the children to come and have a go at mosaics, glass mosaics with, but I think I'll be using some before then. And can you imagine the amazing jewellery the kids are going to be able to make with copper wire wrapped around this? They're going to have some real treasures to take home to mum. Oh, I'm such a kid, I just love this. Makes me feel like I'm 5 all over again, bringing scraps of glass home for mum from the beach and off the road. Used to drive her crazy, but nothing's changed. Just love it.